Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can share your screen in a Google Meet. So if you usually use Google Meet as a meeting online meeting app, you can share your screen. So let's start by open Google Meet first. Don't forget to sign in into your Google account. And for practice, we can start new meeting, start and install meeting. Now, in order to share your screen, pay attention about this toolbar, and here there is a present now, so you can click here. In order to share your screen, you can choose a Chrome tab, only a Chrome tab that can be shared, and also you can turn on and turn off the tab audio. And the second is the window. You can choose this all over your window. You can share this. To avoid an infinity mirror, don't share your entire screen or browser window. Share just tab or different window instead. So you can stop sharing. Or the third option is the entire screen. So you can share the entire screen to your meeting. So here, in order to stop presentation, just click on stop sharing or stop presenting. Or if you want to add another screen, you can present something else, maybe from your Chrome tab or another software or program. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.